guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Dalton Sloan and I'm a self-employed subcontractor working full-time for a millionaire. So, this is the problem. The flooring guy didn't show up, so I get to do some glue down LVP tile. Get some light on here for us. He was trying to use a torch to soften it and cut them, but then he just never cut them. So now they're hard and rounded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use his same method against them. I'm going to take the torch, warm it up, push it down, and then cut it in. That's the plan anyway. So I got a couple of holes here. All types of tools, okay. I got a little shield here, because if you don't shield it, you can actually burn your top layer. What we do is here we get our burn guard with our fire guard. We just want to stay about 6 inches back, and look how fast I do this thing. So just work it, back it up. Don't, especially this winter doesn't have heat, so it's really cold here, so it's going to need some expansion and contraction on this guy. See, I get it nice and warm, push it back a little bit, push it in, push it down. Voila! Now, I'm going to prep myself. I'm going to get myself a nice big pile of floor here. Put out this way our arrows go. So I started laying them towards the driveway side, so the whole pile goes that way. Driveway side. Now I'm going to use my cutoff piece to fill in this other piece here. Let's see now more pieces in it. Let's cut this. Let's cut this guy. Sorry, I'm waiting on some new tripods. I can actually do this just first person view. And then how-tos, walkthroughs. Anyone needs help with anything, I can pretty much video call you, and we can fix your problem over the phone while you do it, or I could, if you're close by, I could do the work for you. I'm always looking for more work, even though I'm swamped as it is, but there's always more coming. Like I said, over a video call. But now, let's see. Get it started. Move your torch. You don't want this. You want to go about 1 inch or 2 out from both sides, so it's nice and pliable. And pull it out. Get it nice and pliable. See? Remember, hit the back. Just don't stay in one spot for too long. You gotta move it. Now, hold it. Pressure. Make sure it's down. Apply pressure. Okay. Now these two, you always keep your factory edge. Okay. Alright, I'm trying to get you guys the best possible view. Like I said, I'm a new creator, so don't judge me. I will be better. Soon I'll have a mic and another light, tripod light, action camera set up, so much to come. So please, if you don't mind, if you could subscribe and hit the bell, or don't hit the bell so you don't get all my notifications for it, because I do a lot of videos, but at least subscribe and help me get to my goal of 500 subscribers so I can get monetized and start making income from YouTube, please, and thank you. So we got 4 inches. Okay, same thing. We're gonna take our piece. We only got 2 to 3 inches past. Get it nice and warm. Be very careful. It gets very hot fast. See, it's already. You always want to try to heat from the back if you can, because then as soon as you see smoke, stop. Okay, ready? Let's get it in where we want it. Snap our corners in. Pull, pull, pull. Right on your line of contact, push in your straight edge. I actually made this one out of a J channel. It works out perfect. And just keep your fingers clear. Cut it right in. Hold it tight. Then you want to push straight down and push your glue down. I usually come back with a hand roller, and then we do a 150 or 200 pound walk behind roller. Big heavy one. Oh, geez, sorry guys. Let me get my here.